Do you want to melt away stress in just a few minutes a day? Well, yoga might just hold the answer. It is a fantastic way to unwind, relax, and reconnect with your inner self. Today, we're going to delve into 5 simple yet effective techniques that you can do anywhere, anytime. Firstly, deep breathing. It's as simple as it sounds. Begin by inhaling deeply through your nose, filling your belly with air. Imagine a balloon inside your belly, expanding as you breathe in. When you exhale, do it slowly through your mouth and visualize any tension leaving your body. Repeat this for around 1 minute. A sense of calmness will start to wash over you, your body will feel lighter and your mind clearer. Next up, neck rolls. Gently roll your neck in circular motions, releasing any stiffness or tightness. After about 30 seconds, switch direction. This technique helps to improve flexibility and reduce any tension that might have built up in your neck. Now let's move on to the forward fold. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and fold forward at the waist, letting your upper body hang loosely. Sway gently from side to side for about 30 seconds. This technique stretches your hamstrings and calves, and it also helps to relieve tension in your back and neck. Our fourth technique is the child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward while lowering your forehead to the ground. Breathe deeply in this position for about 30 seconds. This pose is a restorative one. It soothes the brain and it helps to relieve back and neck pain. Lastly, the seated spinal twist. Sit cross-legged, place one hand on the opposite knee, and gently twist your torso while looking over your shoulder. Hold this position for about 15 seconds, then switch sides. This pose energizes the spine and stimulates digestion. Taking just a few minutes out of your day to practice these yoga techniques can have a profound impact on your well-being. Deep breathing helps to calm your mind. Neck rolls and the forward fold release tension. Child's pose soothes and relaxes. And the seated spinal twist revitalizes your body. So why not give it a try? Remember, even a small change can make a big difference.